2021 was an incredible year. Not only was it the 100-year anniversary for Allegrone Companies, it was the commencement of this incredible, iconic, historic restoration project of Fort Wood and the Statue of Liberty.
We took the opportunity today to get the Allegrone team together to really see what we've been doing here at the island. And it was great to be able to kind of showcase that work, explain what we've been doing, and actually see it, in action. Having been on site for what will be 5 years, we need to restore the irrigation, the landscaping, get the grass to grow, and really bring the site back so it pops and it really has that luster. It's a beautiful setting. We've done a tremendous amount of work. Everything looks good and clean, but it's structurally up to code, looks great, and we've preserved a piece of history.
Our company's been grounded in preservation and restoration work for 100 years now. Whether that be a state or local historic structure or an iconic landmark such as the Statue of Liberty, one of the most rewarding facets of restoration and preservation work is being a steward of history.
I do have a lot of pride in what we're doing here at the Statue of Liberty and being able to bring our team into the structure and into the monument, every day, preserving and restoring for the long term and for generations ahead. I personally take a lot of pride, and I know most of our team does as well.
The foundation of Lady Liberty is an incredibly rewarding feeling for our family and our company, all of our incredible team members, to preserve a national piece of history for future generations to enjoy for another 100 years.